Hi, it's Katrina and Todd, and we're at our great new listing at 14 Meade Street, Wandal. It's a cracker of a property, isn't it, Todd?
8th Street's wonderful, Katrina, set on top of the hill. We should go and take a quick look.
Wouldn't you like to entertain on this deck or go down to the fire pit in the backyard? It is just amazing.
The one thing to me that's apparently obvious with this home is how much it's been loved over the years. It's incredibly well kept. You're going to love moving into this home. Katrina, 14 Meade Street is an incredible family home that has been maintained immaculately over the years. It sits on 1,348 square metres with 3 street frontages, a shed, solar system and indoor-outdoor living. What an incredible property.
Oh, it is. And if you want to be in this property before Christmas, just give us a call today.